Hello, Alicia from Sail Along Sewing. Got some new fabric from Food. And if you like to see what I ordered, just stick around. Thanks for coming. This is the first one. I really like it. It's very thin. We'll make it blouse. It's 2 yards. And it's a cotton voile, black and white face drawing. Here is number 2. This is a beautiful, beautiful fabric. And it's called Stretch Cotton Sateen, Beige and Black Wings. Just gorgeous. Beautiful. And it's thin. And I thought I would make view B, this dress. I think it will be a nice sew. And this is a butterick. $5850. And it's an easy pattern. Is this? And we had the options of pre-shrinking some of the fabrics. Not all of them. Some of them were pre-shrunk, and some of them have to go in the cleaners. But most of them, a couple of them has to go in the cleaners, but most of them can be washed in warm or cold water. Look at this. Just wonderful. Beautiful. Light, airy, flowy. And they are calling this a sustainable viscose crepe print. Patchwork. Nice dress or blouse. I got some plaid. I just love plaid. Love it. Just love it. And it's thick. And they're calling this yarn dye cotton twill flannel. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous. And my last fabric that I have. This is beautiful. This is gonna be sweatsuit, top, and pants. And they're calling this cotton brush French terry sweatshirt fleece. I have enough to make the top and bottom. I'm going to stick a picture of the pattern that I'm going to be using for this fabric. That's it from Moves for this time. Thank you for watching.